Eskom contractors probe for theft of R139 billion. The Special Investigating Unit is probing 11 contractors for stealing a staggering R139 billion during the building of Eskom's Medupi, Kusile and Ingila power plants. And insiders say the total cost of Eskom looting could reach about R500 billion, dating back to 2005. SU spokesperson Azreen Pander said the unit was probing the theft of R170 billion from Eskom, R139 billion, of which is directly related to contractors working on the power plants. She said that after an intensive scoping exercise, the unit had prioritized, among other things, investigating the performance of and payment made to the value of more than R139 billion to 11 identified contractors appointed by Eskom in respect of the Medupi, Kusile and/or Ingila station. This makes up a massive chunk of the R334 billion spent on building the plants and suggests that Public Enterprises Minister Pravin Gordhan's estimate last year that about R100 billion was lost to state capture was way below the mark.
Yeah.